In this video, I want to show you how to rotate your map in Global Mapper. If you want to rotate the map view in Global Mapper, this is how to do it. First, let's bring in our data by clicking on Open Data File. So in this exercise, let me use this very digital elevation model. Then click on Open. Click Yes. Yes, I have this digital elevation model, and this is the original orientation. If for one reason or the other, I want to change or rotate the view, how do I do it? To do that, there is an option here in Global Mapper called Rotate Map. So it brings up the Set View Rotation dialog, allowing for rotation of map view. So click on it. So this dialog box will pump up, and what you need to do is to enter number of degrees to rotate the view, and you choose the direction. For instance, if I want it to rotate by 45 degrees, then I will choose the direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If I want it as clockwise, I choose clockwise and click on OK. Once you click on OK, click on OK again for the tip it brought. You can see it has rotated the map by 45 degrees clockwisely. It can be used maybe when you are digitizing and there is a need for you to rotate the view such that you can view some features in another direction or at another angle for proper clarifications. So you can actually turn the view of your map in Global Mapper. If you want to view it at another angle, it's a matter of coming to this Rotate Map tool, click on it and choose your preferred angle. Let's say 95 degree, and you choose the direction and click on OK. Click OK. So your map will be rotated to that very angle you have specified for better view as deemed fit. So this is how to rotate your map in Global Mapper. Thank you for watching.